All right, guys. Mark Corley with Cornerstone Realty coming in today, and we're going to talk about 1031 tax deferred exchanges. So a 1031 tax deferred exchange, 1031 comes from the IRS code section, and basically what it does is it allows investors to postpone paying capital gains taxes on their investment properties. They can go turn around and invest the entire proceeds from the sale into a new property without paying the 15 or 20% capital gains taxes that are required now for investment property sales. So you're protecting your profits from taxation, and you're able to maximize your investment returns that way. It's a great program. There's a lot of different things you have to do. You cannot touch the money. It has to go through a qualified intermediary, and you have to identify one of the replacement properties you're going to purchase within the 45 days of selling your original property, and you have to close on your new property within 180 days of selling your previous one. And that's how a general 1031 exchange works. Now there's actually several other variations. You have a construction 1031 where you can build a brand new property or even improve one of your existing properties. That's a great tool. There's another one. Oh, there's a couple of ants. There's another one called a reverse exchange, and that's where you actually purchase your replacement property first before you sell the one that you have. And that's great if you come across the perfect property at the perfect time, but your others isn't on the market and you haven't sold it yet. So there's just so many reasons to use a 1031 exchange. It's a great tool for investors like you and me. Again, it postpones the capital gains taxes you would have to pay on investment properties, which are currently between 15 or 20%, and allows you to reinvest all of that into a much more expensive property and hopefully a better performing property. If you have any questions about how a 1031 exchange works, feel free to reach out and I'll go through the basics with you. Be sure to use a real estate professional or a tax professional. Any little mess up and you lose your tax savings. So feel free to reach out. If you need a realtor or tax professional, reach out and I can get you set up with some of those, even if you're not in my area. And if you are in the Fresno or Tulare or Kings County areas, and feel free to reach out and we'll talk and see what we can do. All right, guys, have a beautiful one. Take care. Bye.